ways to make your video titles and text stand out. Hey there fellow video creators, hello and welcome to Digital Creators Hub. I'm your host Blessing. Today, in this video, we'll explore some ways to make your video titles and text truly stand out, catching your audience attention from the very first frame. We're gonna be taking a look at 5 unique text effects that you can keep at the back of your pocket to spice up your next video project. So all 5 of these text effects are all unique from each other, meaning that you can use different ones to achieve a different style of feeling in your video. But what binds them all together is the idea that you can achieve them all inside Premiere Pro with no third-party plugins, or even though some of them will take a little bit of some time than others, you can achieve all of them with relatively little time or effort. So let's dive right in. Our first technique is all about bold typography. Big, bold, and beautiful text can instantly capture your viewers and convey the message with impact. So the first step to take is to import your footage to the timeline. Create a new text layer by going to Essential Graphics. Under Edit, select New Layer and click Text. Choose a bold and legible font that complements your video style. Adjust the font size to make the large text and prominent on the screen. Experiment with colors and contrast to ensure the text stands out against the background. Add to the stroke and shadow. To add animation to the text, do the following to get this done. First, navigate to Effect Controls, add keyframe to position and scale. Move your playhead forward and increase the position and scale. And here you have your animated text. For our second technique, let's start by importing your video and creating text layer where the video will be placed. So to get this done, import your video and drag onto the timeline. Create a new text layer by going to Essential Graphics. Under Edit, select New Layer and click Text. Type your desired text and format as it is needed, ensuring it's large enough to accommodate the video. Select the font that suits your video. To add animation to the text, navigate to Effect Controls. Add keyframe to position and scale. It is essential for you to move your playhead forward and increase the position and scale. So here you have your animated text. For our third technique, we'll be placing the video inside the text. To get this done, drag and drop your video on the timeline. Select the text too. Navigate to Essential Graphics and change the font, size, and position. Locate the track mask key effect and apply it to the video clip, which is underneath your text layer. Highlight the video clip layer and in the track mark key settings under Effect Control, set the mask options to the text layer. So let's fine-tune the placement and scale of the video within the text. And there you have it, a captivating video inside text effects. By seamlessly integrating video content into your text, you've unlocked a powerful tool for storytelling and visual creativity. The fourth technique is the underwater effect. Let's begin by setting up our project and importing the necessary assets. To get this done, import your video footage of an underwater scene and your desired text. Drag your video onto the timeline to create your base video layer. Create a new title layer by going to Graphics. Click on the Type tool and type underwater. From the Essential Graphics panel, choose a font. Adjust the text size and use the Align tools to center the title in the frame. So from Effect Control, we can go to Opacity and select Blend Words. Click the drop down and choose a soft light to blend it better with the background. Add a water wave effect. To get this done, go to the Effects panel and search for Wave Warp. So drag and drop it on the underwater text layer. To reduce the wavy nature of the effect, increase the wave width. For our fifth and final way to make your video titles and text stand out is to create a brighter effect. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything set up and ready to go. To get this done, the first step is to import your video footage or background onto the timeline. Create a new title. Type out the letters in a handwritten font from Essential Graphics panel. You can select radial gradients for the color. Also, add some strokes to your text. To create your typewriter effect, Go to the Effect panel and search for crop. Apply the crop on the text layer, then go to Effect Control panel, increase the right crop and add keyframe. Move a frame further and add another keyframe and reduce it to 0. And here you have your typewriter effect. There you have it, 5 ways to make your video titles and text stand out. Now it's your turn. Take these tips, experiment, and let your creativity soar. Thanks for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Happy content creation and happy editing.